The song is music from the soul, and what better way to listen to it through high quality audio equipment, and One More surely knows how to make just that. Introducing the One More dynamic driver in-ear earphones, which are lovingly designed and made to bless your ears with the most beautiful and crisp sounds with warm, balanced audio. Fitted with 2 resonators and a triple layered diaphragm design using aerospace grade metal inside 2 PET layers, the earphones ensure a true to life sound with a dynamic bass with a warm mid-range signature, making them great for any music genre. The delicate design with various methods of craftsmanship blending a mixture of CD grained engraving, sandblasting, drill cutting and brushing, traditional Chinese red with titanium grey on the earphones and the ear tips, echo each other through the whole design and really make these stand out. To complete the already outstanding package, they come with an extra 3 pairs of ear tips, inline mic with control, and Kevlar fiber line cables to stop tangling, and using a 3.5mm connection definitely helps with compatibility with almost all smartphones, including iOS and Android devices, tablets and various other audio equipment and devices. I personally think in the sub £30 mark you will be hard pushed to find such high quality, and attention to detail and quality control will definitely not be on par either. The packaging is something else, simple yet very elegant. Even in the position of the cable pin was thought about and placed in the right place to give it flair and that extra wow factor. The closest match to this sort of quality and presentation, in my opinion, would be the likes of Apple or Bose. For a wallet friendly $29.32 at the time of this video is definitely a steal. Well, diving back to my roots for you in regards to affordable, high quality tech has been an absolute pleasure as always. It is something that I feel very passionate about and will try to blend into the channel more in the future. So if you would like to buy the product featured in this video, the link will be in the description below. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button. Feel free to leave a dislike if you didn't, but why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.